Okay, good morning students. Today our new lesson, reproduction in animals. Once all of you open your textbook, page number 134, our lesson name is reproduction in animals. Second lesson, reproduction in animals. Reproduction in animals. And once open your textbook, page number 134. Page number 134. Look at the pictures. Draw a line connecting each animal with its young ones. Can see ones. Here, these are the pictures. Here, this is hen. What is the hen? Chicken. Hen yuka chicken ikkada. This is once draw the line connecting to the young ones. This is your work. Draw a line connecting to the young ones. Now, how do animals reproduce? See once, we have seen the different ways in which plants produce more of their kind. Now, see what is the reproduction? Plants are animals. Plants are animals. Plants are animals. Produce young ones. Produce young ones. Young ones that look like themselves. That look like themselves. Now what is reproduce? Plants or animals means most of here. This is not there. Animals produce young one. Produce young ones. Produce young ones that look like themselves. Okay, animals. Plants also produce baby plants that look like themselves. That look like themselves. It is also plants reproduction. In plants reproduction, but animal reproduction, animals produce ones that look like a themselves. Okay na? అవి ఎటువంటి యంగ్ హియర్ యంగ్ వన్స్ ఏ విధంగా ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేస్తాయి? సేమ్ దానిలాగా ఉండేటి మాత్రం ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేస్తాయి అన్నమాట. Then it is called as reproduction. Animals produce young ones that look like themselves. Animals produce young ones that look like themselves. Animals produce young ones that look like themselves. It is called as reproduce. Next, how do animals reproduce? Next, our topic is how do animals reproduce? How do animals reproduce? How do animals reproduce? Animals reproduce in different ways. Some animals produce eggs from which young ones hatch. Some animals gives birth to young ones. Okay now, some animals produce eggs. From that eggs only, which young ones hatch. Some animals give birth to young ones. Some animals gives birth to young ones. Some animals gives birth to young ones. Some animals produce eggs to hatch. Produce eggs from which young ones hatch. Now by giving birth. Next one is by giving birth. by giving birth. By giving birth. Now, animals such as goats, dogs, and humans reproduce by giving birth to young ones. Any type of animals here, goats, dogs, humans, reproduced by giving a birth to young one. Reproduced by giving a birth to young ones. Reproduced by giving a birth to young ones. Such animals are called as mammals. Such animals are called as mammals. These babies feed on their mother's milk. Young babies ఏ విధంగా ఫీడ్ చేసుకుంటాయి? From the mother milk. From mother milk. Now, mammals gives the feed to young ones. Which type of milk? Okay na? Animals take care of their young by feeding them and keeping them clean. Here, animals take care more. They caring more and caring more by young ones, feeding them and keeping clean. Feeding them and keeping clean. Feeding them and keeping. Mammals take care more their children. Means they young by feeding them and keeping them clean. Feeding them and keeping them clean. Now, by laying eggs, mammals gives the milk to their young ones. Mammals gives the milk to their young ones. That is called as a mammals. Next, by laying eggs. By laying eggs. By laying eggs. Birds, fish, most reptiles, amphibians and insects usually reproduce by laying eggs. ఇక్కడ legs reproduce చేసేది ఏంది ఇక్కడ? Which birds, fishes, most reptiles, amphibians and insects usually reproduce by laying eggs. Eggs reproduce చేసే ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయి? Birds, fish, reptiles, amphibians and insects usually reproduce by laying eggs. The female reproduces eggs. Some eggs are usually oval or round shape. What is the shape of the eggs? Oval shape or round shape. The eggs are in the shape of oval or round, and some animals only lay a few eggs at a time, while others lays thousands of eggs. Okay na? Some animals produce only some eggs only. Some animals produce thousands of eggs. Means some types of insects produce thousands of eggs. Now, egg. We discussed about egg. Eggs are good source of protein. It is a good source of proteins. Good source of protein. Eggs are good source of proteins. Eggs are good source of proteins. Now, the egg of a hen is covered with a thin but hard covering called the eggshell. The egg of a hen is covered with a thin but hard cover called as eggshell. Then paina pottu emantam ikkada? Then it is called as a eggshell. It is a very thin, with a thin and hard covering. It is called as eggshell. On the inside the egg filled with a transparent substance is called as albumen. Here, inside the egg, one substance is there. Here two types of substances are there. One is albumen, one is alk. One is albumen. Albumen. inside the egg, inside the egg, filled with transparent substance. Filled with transparent substance. It is called as albumin. Inside the egg, one transparent substance is there. That substance is called as albumin. Transparent substance. Transparent substance. Transparent substance is called as albumin. Inside the egg, one transparent substance is there. The transparent substance is called as albumin. And the egg also has a yellow part. And yellow part substance is also there. Then it is called as yolk. Yellow part substance is called yolk. Yellow part substance is called as yolk. Okay. Only some eggs of a hen have a growing baby or embryo in them. The albumin and yolk help the embryo to grow into a chick. Okay na? Eggs నుంచి chick form కావడానికి ఏం హెల్ప్ చేస్తే ఇక్కడ albumin and yolk. ఈ రెండు హెల్ప్ చేస్తాయి అన్నమాట. Albumin, yolk. The stages through which an embryo develops into an adult called as life cycle. Embryo develops into an adult is called as life cycle. And the embryo becomes an adult, it is called as a life cycle. Now we have to look the life cycle of a hen. Life cycle of a hen. Now we have to discuss about life cycle of hen. Life cycle of hen. The growing baby or embryo of a hen develops inside the egg, and when fully developed, hatches out as a chick. Here, inside the egg, which substances are there? Albumin and yolk. It helps to the embryo and yolk help the embryo to grow into a chick. Embryo grow into the albumin and yolk. The albumin and yolk helps to grow into a chick. Helps the embryo. Help the embryo grow into a chick. The albumin and yolk help the embryo grow into a chick. The growing baby or embryo of a hen develop inside the egg. When fully developed, hatches out as a chick. The embryo develops into a chicken when the egg is kept warm. The embryo develop to chick. Embryo ఎప్పుడు chick develop అవుతుంది? It wants when the egg is kept warm. When the egg is kept warm. ఆ ఎగ్కి సరిపడినటువంటి హీట్ తగిలినప్పుడు మాత్రం ఎంబ్రియో చిక్కు కన్వర్ట్ అవుతుంది. ఓకేనా? This is why hens sit on their eggs for many days before the eggs finally hatch. Okay, for that reason only hens are sitting on the eggs so many days. Okay, finally they hatch. The chick eats and grows into an adult. The adult lays eggs and the cycle continues. మళ్ళీ అడల్ట్స్ నుంచి మళ్ళీ ఈ సైకిల్ అనేది లైఫ్ సైకిల్ కంటిన్యూ అవుతూనే ఉంటుంది. See once. See, egg. In the egg contains albumin and yolk, and it is in egg is the embryo is there. Okay na? Embryo is there. The embryo develops into a chicken when it kept warm. కొద్దిగా వేడి తగలడంతో ఏమవుతుంది? The embryo is converted into hatching. అంటే ఇక్కడ hatching, and it form a chicken. Then after it will be big one, adult one. Again the cycle will be processed. Okay, children, read this lesson carefully. Here, what is egg and life cycle of hen. Today these topics are completed. Read this lesson completely. Okay, bye children.